Hello everyone, welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time again. This is the April kit called Inked Occasions, and it's all about the alcohol ink images. The kit is gorgeous, so let's get straight into what is in the kit. All right, so we've got our instruction sheet and we're making 3 different cards and they are just absolutely gorgeous. Coordinating colors are Berry Burst, Flirty Flamingo, Fresh Freesia, Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, Peach Pie, and Pool Party, along with gold. And I do have the Hugs a Bloom add-on die set that I will be using in the alternate videos as well. So here's our stamp set. So we've got Thinking of You, Congratulations, Hugs, Sending My Love, On Your Retirement, To the Happy Couple, You Are Amazing, and I'm Here for You. So there are so many different occasions that you could use these stamps for. And we've got a Berry Burst Stampin' Spot. We've got some dimensionals. And these envelopes are just gorgeous. They're plain inside, but wow on the outside for sure. And we've got card bases here. So again, the design is front and back. So if you wanted to split the cards and make 2 designs or 2 different cards. And so what do we have here? We've got this one with the beautiful gold border around it. And we've got die cuts. We're obviously stamping those greetings right onto the die cuts. And then we've got some other ones down here. And here is our 3rd card base. Again, just absolutely wow. And we've got these die cuts that say Hugs, and it's almost like a sparkly gold. It's not a smooth gold. And then we've got our die cuts for that 1 card. We've got this piece here, and then we've got this great floral background kind of thing. And each kit, of course, comes with a piece of cardboard to keep it stable. So I keep mine and I cut it in half and use it as a junk journal front and back cover. And I also use it to wrap fabric around so that I can store it kind of like a bookshelf in my fabric cupboard. So don't forget about this lovely piece of cardboard that comes in every kit. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for those first 3 projects and your first alternate, then an alternate every day this week. Let's create together again soon.